So the next item we'll look at on the list of the artist manager's toolkit or artist management toolkit be recording. Okay. Now, as the artist manager, you for record albums or singles or EPs for the artist, right? These be the things where you for have. Number one, you for have an album budget template. So say you go fit plan and budget the album creation and marketing expenses. So whilst you record the album, those you feature, whoever they can play solos, whoever they can play any instrument, whichever producer they work with, whichever marketing you go do, right from scratch, if you have a budget. And this one, they use what they call the album budget template. They take right up. The next thing be what do they call the song master metadata sheet. You see, there's something called metadata. The metadata be basically the properties of the song. Who write the song, how long with the song, who people did the song to, who produced the song, all those other information about every single song. They call them the metadata. Okay. If you like properties of a file, if you go PC top where you right click, if you go properties, you go see the file. When they create them, who create them, which PC, which year, all those information, that'll be the metadata. So you for have the mind, say you for check and make sure say the song in metadata sheet, the master of the song, that'll be the original recording of the song in metadata sheet. Everything about the song be captured. More people they go record song. I see somebody where it is distributing song, the producer will produce the song. You don't even put the producer in name for that. Right? There's a way to do it. The metadata, they capture all those things. Who produced the song and all those things. It'll be very important. So say everybody will collect in kaka, in royalties. So as the artist manager, where you handle the artist, and when it's about time to record it, for try and take all that information. Now, the next points be what do they call shipping cost matrix sheet. Now, it be basically the cost where you go incur to ship physical products. Anything where you for ship. You understand? Where it will help the recording to go on. You for write all those things down. You for also have what they call new release checklist. If you for release the song, you for have a checklist about the process of releasing the song, how you want to release the song, whether it be TikTok or you go use some influencer or any way you for have that thing. Okay. The next point be distribution guide. You for understand the digital and physical music distribution channels way they. So digital, maybe you want to use DistroKid or all these people. What be their names here? Yeah, all these people where you go fit take distribute your song, or there's a better way to do it. And then the physical ways of also distributing songs, like maybe you sell records, like vinyl, records or anything like that. You for know all that. Now another thing where it did the recording section of the artist management toolkit be the artist cycle. Okay, you for capture the details about the artist in cycle. The artist in cycle of creating a song or doing in creative work. You for capture the cycle. So say you go know when to go on a release of the song or to go on tour. So say say the artist, you go fit take 8 months to record 10 songs. That be the strength of the artist. Or it will take 2 months to record 10 songs. Then you go fit know when to put certain tours and certain things. If you have all that information at the fingertips, so say you go know your artist very well and you go know your abilities, you go know how you for pitch them and put them when there's a tour or anything of that sort. Now, another important thing, co-writer split sheet. Ghana, one artist won't write the song alone. Serious people, they write the song, they figure a song co-writer. Song co-writer. So you go fit write a song and then you go fit take the song, give somebody, and he will also retouch the lyrics for you. There's nothing wrong with that. Somebody go fit even write a whole song for you, make you rap or sing. Now, when that happens, you the artist manager, if you keep track of the songwriter and their contribution, so say they go get their kakra chop. This is my hood for TM. If we hear, say some artist, somebody write song for you, then we they laugh you. I don't know which kind of team be that. Artist, where they write song for you, then people they laugh you say they write their song for you. Michael Jackson, they write song for him. Beyonce said they write song for him. Jay-Z, they write song for him. Dr. Dre them, they write song for all of them. This Taylor Swift, then all these people, they write song for them. They even get somebody that arrange the song down until they put down for top. Then it will go get a catch up. So if somebody help you to write a song, it be your song co-writer. You for help them. For people for stop that thing. Every time if you say be you not be smart. So we get artists right now. They still get some fan base. They know they see say they go fit go somebody where he be talented in there, make the right song for him. So say go blow again. They did there. They won't write the song themselves by force. No, your time pass. But you get fan base. So the fan base. Go some kiddie in there, make you write you song, they make you sing them. Tell them say be the songwriter. You perform, you put split the money. What did they wait for? So the co-writer split sheet, as the artist manager, if you be very mindful of that. There's nothing wrong if another person won't write something, join your artist in lyrics. Now the next point be, what do they call your lyric sheet template? Now, your lyric sheet template, it be the structure of your lyrics, how you write them. I see more people where they write songs where you don't know the song, which one be the chorus, which one be the verse, which one be the pre-chorus, which one be the bridge, which one be the rap. The rap set, is it a 16-bar rap or is it a 32? Or I see some people that they write songs where they no label say this be intro, this be chorus, or this be intro, this be pre-chorus, chorus, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus, chorus till fade. They just write them one like that. So if they give you the song, you know go fit sing them. Now people they forget say you go fit put your song on iTunes. Where you go fit use, people go use Shazam, take Shazam your song, then they go listen them. Now when you play song for Shazam, you don't know say your lyrics fit pop up from there. You don't know say the lyrics for the song inside, it be in the music publisher and since they check, then they go take collect royalties for you. The same lyrics where they watched up, take do this kind, what they call sheet music or whatever they call them. So your lyric sheet template will be very important. The artist manager for make sure say the song in structure be done very well. So it be very important. It be very serious thing I did tell you. Now the other thing be your label copy template. Now your label copy template, they take organize the recording information. All the recording information, they take record them. And then another thing you for check and make sure say you have be what they call publishing administrators agreement. You see the music publisher will go handle your things for you. You for have an agreement with them. So all the artists, you artists some of you can't even read and write. You be very good, you know if you read and write. And then you go carry an artist manager where you know if you read and write. You be talented with the music. How music you go fit deal with music publisher? You will collect all your money and chop. That's why they talk say that thing it be street and it be corporate. It no be just street matter. Music no be just street. You understand? You need educated intellectual people to handle certain things. But you need the vibe for the street to play the song, to make the music. You understand? Another thing be, if you do Yankee and them, what do they call sound scan guide? If you have this kind sound scan guide for sales tracking of your music, if you make sales and things, I think yes, if you go feed one, you must track your sales. You know, most of these platforms have this content. You go fit track where they play your song, where they stream your song. You will have all that. And then if you have what they call ISRC and UPC code guide. These be codes for your music releases. We will talk about all those things later. And then your music producer agreements. Like I tell you, I know artists where they distribute their songs, they'll put the producer in name for top. The producer will produce the song. They'll put their names in for it. How the industry will move. People they where they produce song for people. They produce, I don't know you get anything because the artists, You know, they give them their royalties, or they know they help them to put their name for there, so say everybody go chop. Those be the things they kill our industry. Somebody produce for you, put your name for top. You they distribute some, put your name for there. If you don't know how you go create your account, help out to create the account. So say we or everybody go survive. Hungry they town. Anyway.